Time has changed and many changes have happened in the 21st century. We have seen the rise of artificial intelligence, virtual reality, augmented reality, and much more. One such technology that is so promising that it can revolutionize the way we transfer data is Li-Fi. So what exactly is Li-Fi? Li-Fi or light fidelity is a high-speed and fully networked wireless communication technology similar to Wi-Fi. It uses visible light rays to transfer data and is 100 times faster than Wi-Fi. This is because light has a capacity to transfer vastly more amount of data in less time compared to radio waves. Let's make it simple. How does Li-Fi work? The ceiling LED fixture encodes data from the internet and decodes it into light. The LED light is switched on and off at a very high rate, too quick to be noticed by the human eye. This works just like a binary code. This light is then received by a photon detector which converts the variation in the intensity of light into electrical charges. These electrical charges are then converted to binary data and sent to computer or mobile devices. The Li-Fi technology was founded by Harold Haas. Let's see a live demonstration by Harold Haas on Li-Fi technology.
Solar cell absorbs light and converts it into electrical energy. This is why we can use a solar cell to charge our mobile phone. But now we need to remember that the data is encoded in subtle changes of the brightness of the LED. So if the incoming light fluctuates, so does the energy harvested from the solar cell. This means we have a principal mechanism in place to receive information from the light and by the solar cell, because the fluctuations of the energy harvested correspond to the data transmitted. Now, let me show you in practice. In this box is a standard off-the-shelf LED lamp. This is a standard off-the-shelf solar cell. It is connected to the laptop. And also we have an instrument here to visualize the energy we harvest from the solar cell. And this instrument shows something at the moment. This is because the solar cell already harvests light from the ambient light. Now, what I would like to do first is switch on the light, and I simply only switch on the light at the moment. And what you notice is that the instrument jumps to the right. So the solar cell at the moment is harvesting energy from this artificial light source. If I turn it on, off, we see that it drops, we turn it on, so we harvest energy with the solar cell. But next, I would like to activate the streaming of the video. And I've done this by pressing this button. So now, this LED lamp here is streaming a video by changing the brightness of the LED in a very subtle way, and in a way that you can't recognize with your eye because the changes are too fast to recognize. But in order to prove the point, I can block the light of the solar cell. So first you notice the energy harvesting drops and the video stops as well. If I remove the blockage, the video will restart. But now imagine that this LED lamp is a street light and there's fog. So I want to simulate fog, and that's why I brought a handkerchief with me. And let me put the handkerchief over the solar cell. First you notice the energy harvested drops as expected, but now the video still continues. This means, despite that blockage, there's sufficient light coming through the handkerchief to the solar cell so that the solar cell is able to decode and stream that information, in that case, a high.
Pretty interesting, right? You might still be wondering, should light be on all the time? Harold says yes, but light can be dimmed to a state where it is not visible to the human eye but can be detected by the receiver. As of now, Li-Fi technology seems to be very promising. In fact, researchers at Oxford have achieved speeds of 224 gigabytes per second, which is over 200 times faster than a Google Fiber internet connection. So that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure you subscribe and share this video. If you have any questions related to Li-Fi technology, please comment below.